Take two. We're following the clowns. Because we can't find our way to Craig's apartment because there are trees down in KY. They wanted to play cornhole.
We're playing cornhole, alright.
We're just praying no trees following us. Yeah, we're playing cornhole, alright. Cheryl's a little nervous. Popo! It's a Popo in KY. We'll leave you, Popo. You hear that wind? There's the Wicked Witch of the West. Holy shit! And your little knob, too! The next thing you're gonna notice on this tape is a big bud, and it's just gonna...
That's gonna be it, yeah. This is the end of our lives.
My last word.
I love you guys.
Do the whole Blair Witch Project thing.
Yeah.
Hey, this isn't Craig. And Quinn. What happened to our clown? What happened to our clown? Let's look at the sky. What happened to our clown? Okay, there they are. We're gonna try. Is this the road? We need to go.
This is Leisure Lane. Yeah, baby.
Alright, we'll get back to you in a short commercial break.